Over the past couple of months, I've been rebuilding this 2017 Audi S5, and along the way, I've learned a lot. We've had hidden damage, broken wires, expensive parts, expensive small plastic parts which make no sense whatsoever. But if you've been keeping up with the series, you would have known we overcome that with some parts from Temu, which came in and saved the day. And the last video you saw of this car, the front end was not painted, and I'm glad to say it's been painted now and looks unreal. But before I show you this car with a fully painted front end looking mint, I've got to clean it. I've been driving this car for quite a while now, so it needs a clean before I show it you. So let's get to that. And now the car's washed. You really think I'm going to show you it on the drive? Nah, let's go somewhere cool. But what everyone really wants to know is how much this car cost me to rebuild. So let's go get a drink and break it down. Right, let's talk cost. I've got the full list of the price breakdown here. The car in total cost me £9,100. That was before all the fees and delivery, so call it 10 grand to get back to mine. And then starting off with the parts, we've got a slam panel, £270, hinges, £232.50, actuators for the bonnet, £137, release lever, £4, bonnet cable and brackets, £16. We've got a bonnet cable cover for £3, that was from Porsche, so that shows Audi and Porsche use the same parts. Passenger side headlight, this is where it starts quite expensive, £430. Driver's side headlight, £600. Coolant radiator, £113. The bonnet struts, or just one bonnet strut, £8. Front crash sensor, £137. Crash foam, £35. Rad lock and support lock, £30. The bonnet I got for £400. The bumper, in colour, £300. The bumper mount brackets, £18. Bonnet hook, £19. Latch plastic cover, £20. That was a bit of a rip-off. Parking sensor loom, £90. Lower grills from Temu, £113. The passenger side wing, £200. And then finally, paint, £800. So that leaves a total of, I'll put on screen now, and then from selling some parts that I had knocking about and that I could use from the build before, I got back £623. So that minus that So the total of the build is £13,536 and 25p, which sounds a lot of money, but hear this. And a similar car, same year, same spec, identical to what you'd buy mine at right now if it was a clean title, is around the 18 to 19,000 pound mark. So I've roughly saved about £5,000, which is a lot of money when it comes to something like this. Obviously, mine is registered as a Cat N, so when I come to sell it, it will be worth a little bit less. But I think we've broke pretty even, or if so, I've made some profit. I want to do a launch control, but I'm unsure on actually how you do it, so let's ask ChatGPT. Is it Chat? I don't know, I'll just go wrong. It's listening.
I sure am. I'm here and ready to chat. Let me know what you need and I'm happy to help.
Cheers, John. I've got a 2017 Audi S5. How do I do a launch control?
Nice. The 2017 Audi S5 definitely has launch control. Generally, you'll want to make sure the car is in dynamic mode, and then you hold down the brake with your left foot and press the accelerator with your right foot. Once the RPMs settle at the recommended range, you just let go of the brake and the car should launch. But definitely double check the owner's manual for any specifics and safety tips.
Nah, we'll just do that. Let's do it.
Take one. Failure.
Let me Google this.
TikTok's the way forward, guys.
To the ground and let off the brake. Now,
Yeah.
We're in the showroom, and I'm not Mario. I'm ready. This is just.
So I think we've built a pretty good car. If it can survive a launch control, I think that's a good reason to say any car is built pretty good. But if you have enjoyed this series and you think this car has been worth it, do drop a subscribe, like the video. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next, because we've already got the next car ready and it should be out within the next week. So all I have to say is I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. I've just bought the next car to rebuild on the channel, but can you guess what it is from these 3 photos? Here's the wing mirror, this is a bit of the rear quarter and the rear light, and here's the front grille. If you know what it is, let me know in the comments. Let's ask ChatGPT. Is it Chat? I don't know, I'll just go wrong.